I only ended up on rural Highway 2 in New Hampshire because it was the fastest route to Maine. I had no stops planned, no interviews to shoot, no stories to tell, until I got to Randolph. Coming around a corner, I blew right past a roadside ocean of red, white, and blue. I haven't been watching the news much in the months I've been on the road, but I did not get far ahead when my brain assimilated my location with the headline. I turned around. In June, a 23-year-old plowed into 9 members of the Jarhead Motorcycle Club. 7 died. Tragic accidents happen, but what was so tormenting about this one was the fact that the driver's drug and alcohol past should have rendered him without a license a long time ago. Investigations have been held, yielding watery results, and accountability seems unlikely. I've seen a lot of fatal wrecks working in TV news, but compared to most other traumatic events, they are by far the most haunting because of some simple shared similarities. The victims all had somewhere they were going, someone waiting for them at home, something they were planning to do later, and then in an instant, they're just gone. The ground is still charred and there are pieces of glass and debris in the grass, but a new underbrush of U.S. Marine memorabilia, crosses, notes, and U.S. flags, all grouped in 7s, has grown over. You see, these weren't just bikers. They were former Marines who, after serving their country, created the Jarhead Motorcycle Club to host fundraiser rides and deliver hot meals to vets in wheelchairs. It seems unjust that those who already sacrificed for this country should have to die at the hands of a smug addict. In the 30 minutes I stayed, I was joined by biker after biker pulling over to pay their respects. Say what you want about bikers, but beneath all the tough guy stigmas, the leather, and the tattoos, there's usually a big-hearted human being. I'm not part of that community, but you don't have to be to stand here and appreciate the palpable sense of love and loss here. One man parked his bike and stood directly in front of each cross, individually saluting down the line as though he was meeting the Marines' highest officials. Most everyone waited until they were far away from the rest of the crowd or back at their bike to quietly pull down their sunglasses and wipe the tears off their face. Truthfully, there wasn't a dry eye on the east side of Highway 2 that day, even though some of us never knew them or thought we'd end up here. Perhaps we all felt a universal acknowledgement that these 7 were far better human beings in a short lifetime than any of us would be in double the span. Perhaps we all felt guilty about being gifted today when they hadn't. If you're on the road or planning to be, there's a curve on a fast-moving highway in New Hampshire that might be worth your stop to bring life back into perspective and offer a sense of gratitude to those who serve. It's as close as you'll get to meeting 7 riding angels who shared the same love of open roads on sunny days. Whatever adventure you're having, wherever that road has you headed, they fought for your freedom to pursue it. Thank you, Michael, Albert, Desma, Aaron, Daniel, Joanne, and Edward for your service to this country and your community.